Hello dear students, welcome to our channel. It's your one station for learning English. Today we are going to tell you a story which will help you to improve your listening skills, vocabulary, and you will also learn some useful expressions. His elder son was very hardworking and sincere while the younger one was quite lazy and mischievous. The elder son used to wake up early in the morning, and after completing his chores, he would go to the field and work as a farmhand. The younger son would sleep till late and then help his mother in household work. He never assisted his father in the field. He gave the biggest part to the elder son and the smallest part to the younger son. Whenever the elder son sat to rest, the younger son struck the stick against the elder son's plow. Due to this, the elder son could not work properly and the younger son completed his work first. He realized that he had made a big mistake by comparing himself with his brother. He focused on his own work and tried to do it better, and one day his father appreciated him for his work. The younger son was very upset because he was expecting appreciation again, but it was not happening. By comparing ourselves with others, we are actually stealing our own joy and satisfaction. We should appreciate ourselves for who we are and be grateful for what we have. It comes from within and does not depend on external factors such as money, fame, or recognition. When we believe in ourselves and our abilities, we are more likely to take risks, pursue our goals, and overcome obstacles. Confidence allows us to step out of our comfort zone and strive for excellence. It is the key to unlocking our potential and achieving our dreams. While these things may contribute to happiness, they are not the source of true and lasting joy. We should focus on cultivating inner peace and contentment rather than constantly seeking happiness from external sources. Each person is unique and has different abilities and opportunities, so instead of comparing ourselves with others, we should focus on our own goals and dreams. He tried to hide his disappointment, but his brother noticed it, so he went to him and said, "You may be fast at doing work. If you liked the story, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now so that you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video." But remember, doing lots of work is not always better than doing a little bit of work perfectly. Don't worry if you don't get appreciation every time. The important thing is to do your work sincerely. Younger son replied, "Yes, brother, I understand. I will try to do my work better from now on." He apologized to his father for his bad attitude. The father forgave him and told him, "Everyone has different talents and abilities. Also, don't compare yourself with others. Everyone has different abilities and opportunities. Appreciate yourself for who you are and be proud of your uniqueness. There is no one in the world who is exactly alike. Each person has unique talents and abilities. Some people are good at academics, while others excel in sports or art. It's essential to recognize and appreciate our own talents as well as the talents of others. We should celebrate diversity and appreciate the different skills and abilities that make each person special. Always believe in yourself and your ability. If you think you can, then you can do it. Remember, confidence is the key to success. Have confidence in your abilities and work hard to achieve your goals. If you are confident, no one can stop you from achieving success. You might not be the fastest or the strongest, but you are definitely unique in your own way. Believe in yourself and your abilities and always try to do your best. Then one day you will achieve something great and everyone will appreciate you for it. Again, the father appreciated the younger son and gave him a reward, whereas the elder son felt terrible and thought, "Oh, why was I born? I work hard but do not get anything. If I were not born, my brother would have got all the love and appreciation from father." He started crying bitterly. The youngest son became very angry and thought, "Why am I being given the smallest piece of land?" The elder son replied, "Because of me, you are not happy. I have brought bad luck to you into the family. That's why you should not have been born." The father replied, "You are wrong. You should not say such things to yourself. You are a good and hardworking boy and I'm proud of you. Even though you did not get the reward, it doesn't mean that you have not done a good job. Just because someone else does something better does not make you any less valuable. You should be proud of who you are and the work you do. Remember, true happiness comes from within, not from anyone else. My elder brother received the biggest piece while my father took the middle piece for himself. If I were like my elder brother, my father would have given me the biggest piece of land. He started thinking about how he could take revenge on his elder brother. The story is called The Forgotten Son. Before we begin, do subscribe so that you don't miss any of our videos. Let's begin. A poor farmer lived in a village with his wife and 2 sons. Whoever plumps the land first will get a reward after finishing his work. When the elder son went to his father, the father gave him the reward and appreciated him for his hard work. The younger son was disappointed, but he did not show it and hid his sadness in his heart. One day the farmer decided to give both his sons an important task. He divided the whole land into 3 equal parts and said, "I want each of you to plow these lands. Whoever plumps the land first will get a reward." Both the sons agreed and started their work. The lazy young son had completed his work in a short period of time. Since the land given to him was smaller, when the elder son finished his work, it was evening. So the father gave the reward to the younger son and appreciated him for finishing his work first. The elder son felt sad because he had worked hard but did not get any appreciation. Seeing his son's disappointment, the father explained, "My dear boy, it doesn't mean that you have not done well. Your brother just managed to finish his work earlier than you. This does not indicate that your work is not good enough. You should not compare yourself with others and feel sad. Each person has different capabilities. You should focus on your own work and improve your efficiency." The elder son understood his mistake and promised his father that he would never repeat it again. The next day, the farmer again divided the fields into 3 equal parts and said, after a few days, the farmer divided the fields into 3 equal parts once again. As soon as the elder son started working in the field, the lazy son picked up a sharp stick and went behind him. Seeing his condition, the father came to him and asked, "What happened, son?" After hearing these words, the elder son felt ashamed of his behavior. After that day, the elder son never compared himself with his younger brother. So, my dear students, no matter what difficulties you face in life, you should never lose hope. Keep trying and one day you will achieve success. Now let's discuss some of the sentences we used in the story. Do not compare yourself with others. Comparison is the thief of joy. Everyone has different talents and abilities. True happiness comes from within. Happiness is a state of mind. Have confidence in your abilities. Confidence is essential for success in any endeavor. So this was our story for today. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new.